is the Syma S100. It's a 3.5 channel, 2.4 gigahertz coaxial helicopter. Here we go. It's pretty nicely packaged. It's extremely small. In this pack here, we have, let's see, what do we have? Okay, we have some kind of sticker about your charging cable, but we do have a screwdriver, a spare prop, a tail rotor anyway, and then your USB charger, which plugs directly into the helicopter. And then of course you have your instruction manual. Here we have the controller, power button, and this is altitude hold. And then this is your auto takeoff and land, and then these are your trims. And then it requires 4 AAA batteries. And then here is the heli, super tiny. It looks pretty neat. On the bottom is where you plug the charging cable in, and then you have your on and off switch right there. But let's hook this up, charge it up, and take it out.
We're all charged up. Now this, because it is such a small battery, it only takes about 25 minutes to charge. It says you get about a 5-minute flight time. So we're gonna turn the power on there. Power up this controller. We'll do a up, down, and bind. And there's 2 ways you can take off. The first way is you can hit up on the sticks and then hit up again. All right, let's land it. And then the other way is with this auto takeoff button here. So we'll push that and, oh, okay, so that did not go too well. Let's try that again. There we go. Now it is altitude hold. As you can see, I'm not controlling the hover or anything. So it does seem like there is a little bit of a breeze going, because it just wants to go backwards even though I'm pushing forward to try and go front. So, which I kind of expected this to not really work too well outside, even though it is 2.4 gigahertz and it can be flown outside. Yeah, I'm full throttle forward and it just does not want to go forward unless I go this way. Then it wants to take off. So that's telling me there is a breeze pushing this way. All right, let's land this. I wanted to show you. Oh, I feel the breeze now. Let's land it. So yeah, not really one for outdoors, which with this size helicopter, you can kind of expect that. So we're gonna go inside and fly this just so I could show you how good of a helicopter this really is. Okay, so I brought you with me to work, and just a different place. Now, I am not at work, like getting paid. I'm off the clock right now, but yeah, so I wanted to just fly this around here at work. A lot more obstacles to fly around than at home. And just give you a little something else to see. But this thing flies really good. I mean, the stability of this is really good. It's just hanging out in one spot. Oh, it is starting to rotate a little, so that means let's trim this. Okay, there we go. Now it's coming back down. I'm not even controlling it. So every now and then it does want to turn, but I mean, this thing is super stable. It's really cool. I like this little 3.5. Definitely an indoor definitely an indoor helicopter. It's nice that it is 2.4 gigahertz, but I really would not fly this thing outside at all. So you get about 5 minutes of flight with this, and it takes about 25 minutes to charge. So unfortunately you don't get a long flight, but the battery is super small, being only 70 milliamp hour. So yeah, we go around this air hose here. This thing like is a, got a little close there, but oh, uh-oh. So whenever you crash it, you have to rebind it. So it is bound. Did you see the propellers kind of like twitch a little bit? So now we'll hit the auto takeoff, but it is very easy to control. An awesome indoor flyer, like I said. Oh, hey, let's have a little bit of fun with this. Let's take them up to the ceiling fan. See how that works out. Uh-oh, now it's coming down. I didn't land it. That is the battery. The battery just died, and that was about 5 minutes of flight time. And you can see the LED inside there is flashing. Let's try and bind it again, see if it will take off. Nope. Auto takeoff does not work. The battery is dead. So yes, you do get about 5 minutes of battery, but this thing is a perfect indoor helicopter. Looks cool, flies great, highly recommend. It is a little pricey. It was right around $40, but highly recommend this little thing. It's from Syma, so you know it's good. So yes, this thing did fly great. It is pretty cool for its size, and I'm gonna put this in for the November giveaway. So if you want this Syma S100 to be the giveaway for November, then go ahead and smack that like button. Because at the end of November, the RC with the most likes is gonna be the giveaway. This is the first one for the month of November, and then I'm gonna have more RCs coming up for the rest of November. So check those videos out as well, because maybe one of those is something that you like more. So to enter the giveaway for the Syma S100, all you have to do is be a subscriber from the US, and then comment down below, and your comment is your entry. Now your entry is just for this Syma S100. If this ends up being the most liked RC, then you have your comment and your entry in for this one. But I'm only pulling comments off of the video that has the most likes. So if this doesn't have the most likes and something else does, but you don't have a comment on that, you don't have a chance to win that. You only have chances to win on the RCs that you comment on if they're the most liked RC of the month. And then on December 1st, I'm gonna do a live drawing where I announce which RC was the most liked one for the month of November, and then who wins it. So good luck to everybody who enters. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.